All right, so next step will be to install Vuetify and start using it. To do that, we will meteor npm install as a dependency Vuetify. All right, it says there's 13 low severity vulnerabilities. Let's fix that. npm audit fix. Oh, sorry, that should be Meteor. Okay, awesome, cool. So now let's open up the package.json file, and you'll notice that we have Vuetify now installed. This is version 2.3.6. All right, so next we need to install Vuetify on the Vue application itself. So let's go to the main.js on the client side. And what we want here is to import Vuetify, but it's not like that. All right. Okay. So now we have Vuetify, and we need to use the plugin. Like so. But we also need to create an instance that then we can attach to our main Vue application, the main Vue instance. So let's do that. Okay. And so by creating this instance and then passing it into the main one, we are officially installing it. One little step we need as well is to import the CSS for the framework. And let's do that over here. All right, so we keep those together. Let's fire up the application again. Almost there. All right. So refresh the page, and you can tell we have a little bit of a difference in our styling over here. Our form looks kind of weird. Still works though. Let's see if I spelled that right. Yep, after Vuetify, 1, 2, 3, we're good. But it doesn't look right. So what we need to do there is start using the components that are part of the library. And to do that, let's open up the app.vue file. And what we want here is to replace that div with a v-app component. There you go. Okay, so far no errors here. We are still working. Okay, nice. Let's modify the main CSS to get rid of the padding. Probably we can't remove everything from here. And it's okay, let's keep the font. All right. So remember we were creating the Vuetify instance. What we can do here is we can pass in an object with particular configurations. In this case, let's try the theme configuration, and we'll do dark true. All right, and refresh the page. Awesome. So you can see now that anything that is outside the v-app will behave normally, but then anything that is within the v-app component will be our Vuetify application.